Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to go ahead and do a review for you guys today. It's on some hair care products that I was fortunate enough to have sent to me. The company is Moerie. If you guys want to see how I like these products, then make sure to stay watching. The Moerie shampoo is paraben-free, fragrance-free, cruelty-free, silicone-free, SLS-free, and GMO-free. So this brand boasts that they have 77 minerals, 5 vitamins, and 18 amino acids in all their products. The same goes for the conditioner. It also is paraben-free, fragrance-free, cruelty-free, silicone-free, SLS-free, and GMO-free. Okay, so we're also going to be trying out the growth spray, which has all the same claims about being paraben-free, fragrance-free, all that. The last product that they sent is the mineral repairing hair mask, which has all the same claims and is also all natural. Okay, so like I said, their products are all organic and made of natural substances. They also say that the minerals make the hair soft and promote hair growth. The company is also known for helping hair loss and thinness in hair. I used the shampoo, conditioner, and the hair growth spray already. So the shampoo, really liked it. It didn't take a lot to lather. It got my hair feeling really squeaky clean, and I feel squeaky clean because there's a lot of pull on the hair, like it's not slick after you wash the hair. It seemed to get a lot of stuff, a lot of caked buildup product off my hair because it's been like a week and a half since I washed it. So I really like the shampoo. Conditioner, the same. It felt really slippery and nice after I used it, really soft. There was not a lot of tangling going on when I was in the shower, you know, running the conditioner through my hair. These two do have a very light orange scent, which for me, I liked the orange. An Aroma natural orange is what they have in the product. So it did have a little light orange scent, which, like I said, didn't bother me, wasn't super strong, and it didn't last very long. Once my hair was washed and dried, it's gone. Okay, so the next thing that I used in my hair was the Natural Ultimate Growth Spray, and I will go ahead and hop over to when I jumped out of the shower and let you guys know how all that went. I'm gonna go ahead and brush my hair out. My hair feels super smooth, super soft, no tangles or, you know, knots or anything at all. And it feels really clean. Ultimate Growth Spray. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray some of that in my hand, rub it together, and just sort of put some in. I'm not gonna put a lot. Okay, so this has a really stronger scent, almost like a tea tree oil scent. I will list all the ingredients that these products have in the description box below. It's not like a super strong smell, but if you don't like tea tree oil, then that's probably not going to be a smell that you really care about. We'll see how long that lasts when it goes into the hair. Sometimes those smells on some products just don't last that long and they sort of dissipate after a few minutes. Okay, so I just ran a little bit in the ends of my hair and on, not too much on my scalp, just mostly on the ends. And style my hair. And I will be back in a few hours, well, 10,000 hours, because that's how long it takes my hair to dry, when it's dry, and I'll let you know how I feel so far about this hair product line. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is mostly dry now, and I really like the way that it feels. It wasn't heavy or weighed down. Like I said, it felt really clean after I used it. The growth spray was nice. I just used it like an oil, like I usually put in my hair. So it didn't leave my hair oily or greasy feeling. The only thing that I didn't really care about for this is the scent. It's very strong, almost like a tea tree oil smell. Not my favorite scent, but it didn't last for very long. Once my hair is dry, I didn't smell it anymore, so that's great. I will be going in and using this mask at a later date. So I will go ahead and get back to you guys in probably a week or two after I wash my hair once or twice more with the product and let you guys know my final thoughts on how I feel about this hairline. Okay, everybody, so I just went ahead and used the mask. I really like the mask. As you can tell, my hair really loved the mask. Super easy to use. It's super thick and creamy, which is good when you have a hair mask. I just feel like it coats the hair better when it's thick like that and just sort of saturates the hair better. Really no scent at all to the mask, which was good. So I just went ahead and applied it to my hair, focusing more on the ends because that's where my hair tends to be more dry. It needs a little more moisture. Left it on for about 15-20 minutes under a plastic cap. Washed out really easily. My hair didn't feel like it was caked or coated after I washed it out. And as you can see, my hair absolutely loved the mask. It was nice and moisturizing. Really liked the mask. So let me go ahead and give you guys my final thoughts on this line because I've been using it now for a couple weeks. Like I said, the hair mask, I just talked about that Really, really like this, so I will be continuing to use this. I just wish that there was a lot more product in here. So my final thoughts on the Moerie Ultimate Growth Spray. I really like it as a oil for my hair. It gives my hair a little bit more moisture. I'm not sure how good it works for hair growth because I've only been using it for a few weeks, but I will continue to use this. If you guys want an update, maybe in a few months, I'll go back and let you guys know if I feel like this has helped with hair growth at all. So my final thoughts on the shampoo and conditioner, I really, really like them. My hair has felt moisturized the entire time. Love the conditioner, and again, I feel like my hair has been nice and moisturized. My only complaint with this is there's not a lot of it, so if you have a lot of hair, you're gonna probably go through this fairly quickly. But as far as complaints goes, that's really it. My last complaint, but I mean, you get what you pay for. These products are all natural. They're, you know, paraben free. They've put a lot of care and energy into making sure that these are natural products. Is that the price is a little more expensive, but like I said, you're getting what you pay for. These are all natural products, and those types of products tend to be a little more on the pricey side. There will be a discount code for 20% off if you guys want to purchase any of these items. You can go to www.moerie.com. 20% off. The code will be linked in the description box below, or you can click the link in the description box below for the code. That is it. Those are my final thoughts. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys next time.